Hello dear students, good evening to each and everyone. I all of you welcome back on Wallah English channel, and in this course we are studying signals and system in very much comprehensive manner. Just we started chapter number 2, linear time invariant system. So first of all tell me, am I audible properly? Audio and video both are clear to you people? Each and everyone tell me. Audio and video both are clear to people? Continuous time convolution, this is part 3, chapter number 2. In LTI system we are studying continuous time convolution, and this is part 3 guys. Fine, okay. So in last class we have seen convolution, what convolution of impulse with impulse, impulse with step, step with step, step with ramp, ramp with ramp, correct? And now let us solve some question based on that. This is the first question. Let us solve. 3u of t minus 2 convolution minus 2 r of t plus 5. You know that convolution of, first of all find the convolution without shifting, u of t with r of t. Okay, see, u of t convolution u of t, that is what? R of t. U of t convolution r of t is nothing but square by 2 u of t, square by 2 into u of t. Now here apply shifting property, linearity property. 3 u of t minus 2 convolution with minus 2 r of t plus 5. So 3 into minus 2, it is nothing but minus 6. Minus 6 here, t square. Now t becomes t minus 2 and t plus 5. So it is t minus 2 plus 5 whole square divided by u of t minus 2 plus 5. Okay, so it will be y of t nothing but is minus 3 t plus 3 whole square into u of t plus 3, correct? Okay, clear guys? Minus 3 t plus 3 whole square into u of t plus 3. Now this is nothing but what we can say, y of t is equal to is minus 3 into t plus 3 whole square, and u of t plus 3, that's why this is for t greater than minus 3, and it is equal to minus 3, and it is 0 for, we can say, t less than 3 guys, less than 3. Now they can ask numerical answer type question also based on this. They can ask like find the y of t at t equal to 5. Suppose they are asking find y of t, here I am saying find y of t, find y of t at t is equal to 5. Find y of t at t is equal to 5. So you can say for t greater than or equal to 3, for t greater than or equal to minus 3, this equation I have to use. So for t equal to 5 at y of 5 is y of 5 is nothing but what? Put t equal to 5 here. So minus 3 and here 5 plus 3 square, correct? 5 plus 3 square guys. So it is 8 square 3. Y of 5, tell me your answer in comment box. Minus 3 into 8 square with nothing but, okay, so I think it is 202, I think 192, sorry, 6 180 and 12 minus 192, yes or no? Tell me your answer in comment box. 192 is the correct answer. Nikhil, tell me, is this your right answer? Minus 192. Answer is what? Minus 192 is the correct answer for this question number 1. Clear? Okay, very good. Now let us take one more question. Okay, now convolution of step function with exponential function. This also already we have seen using the differential property. Now using the analytical method. Y of t is equal to e to the power minus at convolution integration minus infinity to plus infinity x of tau in of t minus tau d tau. Here y of t is integration minus infinite plus infinite e to the power minus a tau u of tau. Correct? This is x of tau and this is h of tau into u of t minus tau. Now already we have seen, guys, q of tau into q of t minus tau. Their amplitude is 1 when tau lies between 20. Y of t is equal to integration 0 to infinite e power minus 0 to t e power minus at into tau, guys. Sorry, tau here, tau minus a tau. So y of t is equal to e to the power minus a tau divided by minus a, again is also 40 greater than 0. Okay. So y of t 1 minus the power minus divided by a, 40 greater than 0. That's why u of t. So using analytical method also we got the same answer. Fine. Using analytical method also we got the same answer. Okay. So convolution of e power minus at into u of t with u of t is nothing but 1 minus e power minus at divided by a into u of t. Okay. Now convolution of, okay, now let us solve some question. So see, this is given x of t and this is h of t, this is h of t, guys. H of t, h of t, h of t, guys. So x of t convolution h of t. So this is a ramp function. Now x of t is equal to, this is a ramp function. Okay, ramp starting from 2 and going towards right side. Right side, that means plus t, and starting from plus 2, that is minus 2 here. Now what about slope, guys? The slope is what? Dy by dx. So this dy is 2 and dx is 1. So slope is 2 and increasing, that's why I am writing plus 2, guys. Dy by dx 2 increasing, that means plus 2. And here h of t, suppose if I am writing h of t, so h of t dy by dx is dy 2 and this dx 2. So dy by dx, that is 2 by 2 1. Okay, slope is 1. This is the ramp function starting from going towards right side, that's why plus t, starting from minus 2, that's why you can write here plus 2, guys. Okay, and the slope is plus 1 and increasing, that's why here we can write increasing slope plus 1. Here y of t is equal to x of t convolution with h of t. Y of t is equal to 2r of t minus 2 convolution with r of t plus 2, r of t plus 2. Now we know that the convolution of r of t with r of t, what is the answer? It is nothing but t cube by 6 into u. Yes or no? T cube by 6 into u of t. So here, final answer, y of t is equal to 2 times here t cube. So see, this is t minus 2 and this is plus 2 whole cube divided by 6 into here also q of t minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to, this is 3 guys, so t cube by 3, but what, cube by 3 u of t, t cube by 3 into u of t guys, fine. T cube by 3 into u of t, this is what, y of t, fine. Is this clear? Nikhil, tell me, yes or no? Is this clear to you? Okay, very good. Now next, convolution of exponential function with another exponential function. What is the convolution of exponential function with another exponential? Okay. See here, one signal is x of tau, one more is h of t minus tau. So y of t is equal to minus infinite x of tau, h of minus tau. So here integration minus infinite plus infinite e to the power minus a tau q of tau e to the power minus b t minus tau q of t minus tau d tau. Y of t is equal to, here, now here see guys, q of tau and here u of t minus tau. So if you replace u of tau into u of t minus tau with 1, then the limit of integration will 0 to t is 0 to is e power minus b and to the power tau. Okay. Now see, integration variable of interest is tau. With respect to tau, this e power minus bt you can take outside the integration. So y of t will be e power minus bt integration 0 to t, integration is 0 to t e to the power minus a plus b tau d tau, correct? E power minus a plus b tau d tau. Here y of t is equal to e to the power minus bt into the power minus a plus b tau divided by minus a plus b, it is 0 to t. So y of t is equal to the power minus bt, here e to the power minus a into t into e to the power minus bt, and this is 0 upon minus a plus b, correct? Yes or no? A plus B. Check once. Here A minus B guys. Minus guys. Here minus sign. Here also minus. Minus, minus. Here it's plus guys. So y of t will be, here it is e power minus 8, e power minus bt into e power plus bt 0. This is minus e to the power minus b divided by minus a. As this is for greater than 0, so this is y of t. Correct? This is y of t. Fine. So your e power minus at into u of t convolution with e power minus bt into u of t. This is nothing but e power minus at minus e power minus bt divided by b minus a. Now the important result. E power minus at u of t convolution power minus u of t. Answer is e power minus at minus e to the power minus b divided by e minus u of t. Now here if suppose if b is equal to 0, then e to the power minus at to u of t convolution with u of t, e to the power minus at u of t convolution with u of t is nothing but, here see b is equal to 0, so that's why e to the power minus at minus 1 0 minus a u of t. So we got the same answer as previous one, 1 minus e to the power minus at divided by a into u of here. Okay. Now suppose if both a equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, a equal to 0, b equal to 0, then what will be the answer? 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0, so infinite? No. Infinite by infinite? No guys. Or 0 by infinite? No. See here, if a equal to 0, then here u of t, b equal to 0, then here also u of t guys. So we know that u of t convolution with u of t is nothing but r of t guys. This r of t, ramp function, but t into u of t, correct? T into u of t. Fine. Now next is very much important. Suppose if a is equal to b guys, a is equal to b, then e to the power minus at of t convolution with e to the power minus at into u of t. Okay, you can take e to the power minus at common, it will be u of t convolution u of t after taking common, and we know that the convolution of u of t with u of t again it is t into u of t. So answer will be e to the power minus at into t into u of t. So you can write t into e to the power minus at into u of t. Is this clear? Tell me, Nikhil, clear or not? Is this clear to you? Clear? Very good, guys. Okay. So this is very much important result, guys. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay. Next see here. Now let us solve some question based on the previous result. See, you have to always remember standard format. So convolution of first question number 1, y of t is equal to e power minus 2t u of t with e power minus 3t u of t. What will be the correct answer? So here a is equal to, guys, and here is equal to 3. So answer is e to the power minus 2t minus e to the power minus 3 divided by e minus a 3 minus 2 of t. So it is the power minus 2t minus e to the power minus 3t u of t. Fine. Okay. Now next question. Try second question and tell me your answer in the comment box. Now I am expecting answer from each and every single student. Done? Second question. Still? Okay. Here answer should be e to the power 3t minus e to the power 5t, guys, divided by b minus a. If you compare with the standard format, then here a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to minus 5, b minus a minus 5 minus minus 3 to 2 of t, guys. So it will be, this answer should be e power 5t minus e power 3t. Correct? Divided by c plus 2 divided by into 2 of t, guys. Is clear? Okay. Next question. Now what is the answer for the next question? See, e power minus 2t here, e power minus 2t here. You can take e power minus 2t common, as I told, guys. e to the power minus 2t common. Here it will be u of t convolution with u of t. So answer is what? T into u of t. So t into e to the power minus 2t of here. Now last question, e power minus 4t and e power 2t. So here see, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 2. So answer is e power minus 80 minus e power minus bt divided by b minus a. So minus 2 minus 4, e minus a minus 2 minus 4 into 2 of t. So it will be e to the power 2t minus e to the power minus 4t divided by 6 into 2 of t. Clear? This is correct only. This is correct only. E to the power minus 80. See, e to the power minus 80 minus minus plus, guys. E to the power minus 80, a equal to minus 3. So here e to the power minus 80, and as a equal to minus 3, so minus minus plus only. So it should be e power 3t only, not minus 3t. Okay, Nikhil? Minus minus plus. If you replace a with minus 3, see here, if you replace a with minus 3, it becomes minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3 only. Fine? Very good. Now next. Okay. Now conceptual question like this they can ask. See, this is very much conceptual question. So you have to use here concept of first chapter as well as second chapter. So how to find energy, that already we studied in the first chapter, and that concept also you have to use here. First of all, understand the question. Find energy of the output signal y of t of an LTI system for the given input x of t equal to e power minus 2 t u of t, and also find ratio of output signal energy to the input signal energy. So in the first question they are asking to find energy of the output signal y of t, and in the second one they are asking the ratio of energy of output signal to. So input is given, plus response of an LTI system also given. So how to find output? The output is given by the convolution between input signal and the impulse response. So y of t, x of t, convolution with h of t, x of t convolution with h of t. So here y of t, x of the power minus 2t u of t convolution with h of t is equal to e to the power minus 3t into u of t. Okay. Now tell me the answer. Find the y of t. So now solve this question and find the y of t. So answer is to the power minus 2t to the power minus 3t upon b minus a. See, b is equal to 3 and a is equal to 2 guys. B minus a into u of t. So we got output y of t is equal to e to the power minus 2t to the power minus 3t u of t. This is the output. Now how to find energy of this signal? Shortcut I provided in you first chapter. So what is the shortcut guys? Now suppose signal x of t is equal to e to the power minus at to u of t plus e to the power minus bt to u of t, and its energy is given by energy of the first signal, that is 1 upon 2a, energy of the second signal, that is 1 upon 2b, plus if it is plus sign here, then here also it should be plus sign, so plus 2 upon a plus b. Now suppose if there is a minus sign here, then here also it should be minus sign. Okay, so now we can find the energy of output signal. Energy of the output signal is given by the energy of the first signal, that is 1 upon 2 into 2, plus energy of the second signal, that is 1 upon 2 into 3, and here minus sign, that's why also minus sign, 2 upon a plus b, a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 guys. So tell me the energy of the output signal. What is the energy of the output signal? What is energy of the output signal? Tell me guys. So here 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 upon 5. So take the LCM. So here this is 6 into 5, 30. Here 4 into 5, 20. Here 4 into 6, 24. So it is minus 48 divided by this 120. So tell me the energy of the output signal. What is energy of the output signal? 1 by 60. Very good, Nikhil. You remember. Very good. You got the correct answer. Are you getting 50? 50 minus, yes, 1 by 60. Very good, Nikhil. Got the correct answer. By 60. So this is the energy of the output signal. Now they are asking the ratio of energy of the output signal to the energy of the input signal. Now what is the energy of the input signal? Energy of the input signal, it is the exponential function. So energy of the signal given by 1 upon 2 into 2. 1 upon 2 into 2a. It's exponential decreasing function 1 upon 2a. So it is 1 by 4. What is the ratio of energy of the output signal? Energy of the input signal. Output signal 1 by 3, input signal 1 by 4. So it will be 1 upon 15, guys. So ratio is 1 by 15. Fine. The ratio is 1 upon 15. Got it, Nikhil? Is this clear to you? In this way, they can frame the question. They can make it numerical answer type question also. They can make MSQ, MCQ type also. Fine. So how to find energy? That is the concept of first chapter, and the convolution. Convolution between two exponential function, the concept of second chapter. Okay. So nowadays they are asking, or they are framing type of question in which there are types of concept used. Okay. Now next is, now this is very much important. So convolution of two. Now till now we have seen the convolution of two infinite duration signals like r of t with u of t, u of t with u of t, exponential function with u of t. So all are what? Infinite duration signal. So resultant signal also infinite duration. Okay. The resultant signal also of infinite duration. Okay. So this is what, guys, two finite duration pulses are present, guys. Finite duration pulses are present here. Okay. And what is the convolution between these two signals? Correct. So here you can solve this question using analytical method also. Just wait for a minute. Software. So convolution between two pulses, guys, two rectangle pulses. Okay, but that we will continue in the next class, guys. Okay, so all of you, thank you so much for watching me live on Wallah English channel, and next part we will continue in subsequent module. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.